4 tips to clean the most used appliances at home. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Can you imagine what it would be like if you couldn't prepare your favorite dishes? Or without having perfectly clean carpets and clothes? In order to make house cleaning tasks easier, home appliances become more and more advanced. Surely they cost a lot, but it is worth having the latest models at home. You need to invest time and effort in maintenance cleaning, however. The tips below will show you how to properly clean your equipment. Number 1. Ovens. Dealing with build-up dirt in your stove isn't fun, but it is crucial. In case your oven has a glass top, spray it with glass cleanser no less than twice a week. This way grease won't be able to accumulate and severe scrubbing will be avoided. If you own a stove with burners, cleaning should be performed with warm water and a delicate detergent. The process should include all detachable parts, as well as the surface around the igniter. Don't skip cleaning the inner area of the machine. As the oven is still warm, put a cup of ammonia inside. Close the door and turn the device off. A few hours is enough for the grease to loosen up. When ready, wash the area with hot water and detergent. Number 2. Air conditioners. These machines are your best option when you have to face hot summer days and icy winter nights. Despite the fact that they are designed to withstand severe conditions, regular cleaning is vital, especially when you use the machine every single day. If so, clean the filters every 2 weeks. It's a simple task. Wash them in the sink with water and soap. You should also get rid of the dust that accumulates in the appliance's vents. They should be wiped with a clean cloth once a week. For this purpose you can use a blow dryer as well. Number 3. Dishwashers. Having such a device at home saves so much time in the kitchen. Its maintenance isn't difficult, but it should be systematic. Make a solution of water and bleach to clean the dishwasher's gasket. That's how you avoid leaks. As for the interior, it usually takes running one empty cycle to eliminate bacteria. Don't forget to remove and wash filters before that. If you want to handle bad dishwasher odors, mix vinegar with water. Pour the compound into a washing cycle and the nasty scent will go away. Number 4. Blenders. Although you can clean some models in the dishwasher, this is not the best approach. Since it's possible that the device ends up cracked, try another cleaning method instead. Fill the blender with water and add 1-2 drops of dishwashing soap. Select its most powerful setting and run it for about 15 seconds. You can also put a few pieces of lemon inside to obtain a fresh aroma. As soon as you finish with the task, rinse the machine with water and leave it disassembled until it dries. These cleaning techniques are pretty easy to follow. The goal is to keep appliances in good working order and hygienic state at all times. Include them in your home cleaning schedule and your devices will be fine. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite you to join our virtual online master classes to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean, a greener and healthier future.